Here are some of the materials you will need to start an urban garden. Pots, seeds, soil mix, seedling mix, seedling trays, fertilizers, and pesticides. Here are the tools you will need for convenience: shovel and gardening fork, pruning shears, spray bottle, and watering can. Always store these in an area out of pets or children's reach. Keep them away from sunlight, heat, and intense light. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, consider sharing this to your friends and hitting the like button. If you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing. Feel free to check our Facebook page down in the description below. This is At Cashel, signing out.